Hello guys, so join me, let's do a little review of my order from Temu. So let's know if we'll see if this price is worth it. So this is wireless mic that I bought. I'm also going to unbox this. Then this is LED light that I also bought. I'm also going to tell you the price that I bought is from Temu also. So let's check what is inside. So this is the stand of the lamp. You can see it. So I'm also going to fix it to show you after I fix it. So this is the lights. Drop in the comment section, just guess how much I was able to get this light. I'm going to tell you the name at the end of this session. So let me unbox the mic for you. So this is the mic. So also guess how much I was able to get this mic from Temu. Drop it on the comment section. This one has two mic. So it has two mic. These are the two mic, these are the receiver. I'm also going to test it to know if it's working. Then this is the charger for the mic. So these are the things it came with. So you can adjust it to any size that you want to make it up. Let me drop the amount I was able to get. I was able to get this for just 6,000 plus from Temu. If you're a Temu user and you are shopping for the first time, you're going to get access to a promo price that can use to get discounted products. Normally, if you want to get this product, you buy it for 15,000 to 20,000 naira on the market. Now, this light, I was able to get this light for just 15,000 naira. But if you want to buy this light, normally it's 60,000, 70,000 naira, but I was able to get it for just 15,000 naira from Temu because I'm shopping for the first time. So I'm also going to show you how you can be able to shop how you can be able to get discount when you are buying from Temu. I think this is the second light I'm getting from Temu at this discounted price.